Some of the most viral videos on YouTube right now are simple animated stories. And today I'm going to show you exactly how channels like My Story Animated create them using AI. MSA has built one of the fastest growing faceless YouTube channels by combining emotional storytelling, clean animation, and narration that keeps viewers glued from start to finish. Their videos consistently pull hundreds of thousands, sometimes millions of views in just a few days. And the crazy part is how simple their method really is. Here's the thing. Most people think you need a huge team to make videos like this. A scriptwriter, a voice actor, an animator, and an editor, all working together to create one polished video. The process would normally take days, sometimes even weeks, just for one video. But MSA does it differently. They take ideas that are simple, relatable, and emotional, and turn them into videos that are impossible to stop watching. Viewers aren't just watching the animation, they're connecting with the story. Every twist, every dramatic moment, every emotional climax keeps people hooked until the very last second. That's why their videos perform so well on YouTube's algorithm. Another key to their success? Consistency. The channel uploads regularly, sticking to a specific format and style that their audience recognizes instantly. This combination of storytelling, animation, and consistency builds trust, engagement, and a loyal fan base. And here's the part most creators don't realize. You can replicate this exact formula using AI. Step 1. Topic generation. First step is generating your topic, and we've already made this incredibly simple for you. Just open the Google Docs link provided in the description and copy the topic generation prompt. Then head over to Claude.ai and paste the prompt there. Once you hit enter, Claude will instantly generate 20 high-quality video ideas for you. These ideas are structured in a way that they can also be used directly as your video titles. All you need to do is pick the one that fits your channel best, and you're ready to move on to the next step. Step 2. Script generation. Now that you've selected your topic, it's time to generate the script. Go back to the same Google Docs and copy the script generation prompt. Paste it into Claude, and in the section that says Insert Topic, replace it with the topic you chose in Step 1. After pressing Enter, Claude will generate a fully structured, engaging script tailored specifically to your topic. This script will be ready for narration and formatted in a way that keeps viewers watching until the end. Step 3. Image generation. For image generation, we've also prepared everything for you. Copy the image prompt generator from the Google Docs and paste it into Claude right below your script. At the end of that prompt, you'll see a section where you need to paste your full script. Simply copy your script from Step 2 and insert it there, then press Enter. Claude will now generate detailed image prompts based on each part of your script. After that, copy each image prompt one by one, go to Whisk, paste them in, and generate your images, and for each prompt, 2 options to choose from. This will give you all the visual scenes needed for your video. Step 4. Animating the images. Once your images are ready, it's time to animate them. In the same Claude chat, below the image prompts, type Provide Grok animation prompts for all these image prompts you provided. Claude will generate animation instructions for each scene. Then go to each image you created, click on the Animate option, paste the corresponding animation prompt, and generate the animation. This transforms your static images into engaging video clips. Step 5. Voiceover. Next is the voiceover. Copy the script you generated in Step 2 and paste it into 11 Labs. Choose the voice that best matches your channel's tone and style, then generate the voiceover. Once it's ready, download the audio file. This will serve as the backbone of your video. Step 6. Video editing. Now it's time to put everything together. Open your preferred editing software, whether it's PowerDirector, CapCut, or Canva. Import all your animated clips along with your voiceover audio. Align the visuals with the narration carefully so everything matches smoothly. You can also add background music or subtle sound effects to enhance the final result. Once everything looks polished and professional, export your completed video. Step 7. Thumbnail generation. Finally, let's create your thumbnail. Go back to the Google Docs and copy the thumbnail prompt. Insert your selected topic into the designated section of the prompt, then paste it into Whisk. Generate the image, and you'll have a high-quality thumbnail designed to attract clicks. And just like that, your entire AI-powered YouTube video is complete and ready to upload.